Understanding and synthesizing CRM data is a necessity for our sales teams. This data helps us uncover valuable insights so we can better understand our customers, personalize interactions, and optimize sales efforts. That's why our customer-facing teams use Lucid to build strategic account plans. And here's how that works. As a leadership team, we create a custom template in Lucidchart as a starting point when building an account plan for a new deal. This creates consistency across the org and reduces manual or repetitive work. Using Lucid's unique bidirectional integration with Salesforce, reps can import all the context at their account and immediately start to visualize that organization. From here, reps can sync contacts, assign opportunities and roles, and notes reporting structures and other key relationships that influence a deal's progression. Account plans are essentially managed in Salesforce and automatically updated in Lucidchart. Using the information from our discovery, reps can further build out their account plan. As reps learn more about the account plan's pain points and business needs, they can add that information directly to the account plan, making it easy for anyone on the team to quickly find the info they need. And with Universal Canvas, teams can seamlessly move their account plans into Lucidspark for planning and ideation sessions as they identify new timelines, customer use cases, milestones, and next steps. Using Lucid's powerful account mapping and account planning capabilities, our customer-facing teams have a single source of truth to use throughout the lifecycle of a deal. These are living documents that are continually built upon, keeping teams aligned and helping them identify the best path to sell.